here are a few tips I would have for finding great restaurants in Europe. One of them is get away from the main tourist zones, especially the restaurant row. A lot of popular cities in Europe have one street where all of the restaurants are located. In Brussels, they have the Rue du Boucher, which is lined with lots of interchangeable restaurants, and there's a salesperson out front each one trying to get you in to have a table. Every place serves identical buckets of mussels and beer and so forth. If you walk just a few steps off the main drag, you're going to find something a little more interesting. In Dubrovnik, in Croatia, a city I go to a lot, they have a restaurant row that's very similar to the one in Brussels. People waiting out front trying to lure you in with flashy menus. In Croatia, in Dubrovnik, you can walk along this restaurant row on the right, or you can climb the staircase on the left, and literally less than a 5-minute walk away, you can find a beautiful, secluded little corner restaurant or cafe with half the prices, twice as good food, much friendlier people. This sounds almost so obvious it isn't worth saying, but it really strikes me after spending years and years looking for good restaurants for our guidebooks. It's so easy to find a good restaurant that's very close to a very bad restaurant.